No, dragonflies are pretty resilient.
I have no idea what to expect with this ride.
Come on, fly. Oh no! Please tell me you can fly.
Whoa. Whoa! Oh god. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh my god! Why is it cold?
Oh no. Oh no, I don't like when this is snowing.
Oh no!
Nah, don't worry,
It's gonna get wet. Oh,
we're being spared. Oh no.
Go! No, he didn't.
Oh my god! Holy crap!
What?
What?
Somebody probably stood up.
Hope they know what's... Oh! Jesus. Oh, go figure, goes up a little tail now.
Yep.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I don't like it.
Uh-oh.
I don't like it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, why are we spinning? It'd be cool if the roller coaster goes on by. Oh no. Oh! Come on, get this guy wet. What the?
Come on.
Oh, there's trails. What was that? Oh my god, why is this so bouncy?
No, not a waterfall, not a waterfall. I'm having flashbacks to Thunder Canyon.
Oh!
Gotcha, man!
Hey, that was cool. Oh my god, why is it like this? Oh no, not me, not me. Please not me.
Get him, get him,
No.
get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Yeah, go away from me, please. Thank you.
Ah, that makes sense.
Oh my god, why is it bouncy?
Oh, there's a dragonfly.
That wasn't bad. Wasn't bad.
No geysers, unfortunately. But...
Oh, I got soaked.
I got a little splash. Luckily, my shoes aren't that wet.
Must be
Remain
nice.
seated until the boat returns to the turntable and a cast member instructs you to exit.
What? A cast member?
Yeah, Kyle, must be nice. I got soaked in this ride.
Please remain seated until the boat returns to the turntable and a cast member instructs you.